Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here. In today's video, we're going to do an unboxing of the newly released Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Let's get started. The box of the Galaxy S10 is nearly identical to last year's Galaxy S9. Same black box, extremely similar black font on the back describing what's in the box. And everything's listed back here: the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, the wall USB charger, stereo headset, USB connector, which is a USB-C, quick start guide, smart switch guide, and the Samsung Mobile Care offer. Opening the box of the S10 Plus, the very first thing you see is the S10 Plus. Lifting the phone out of the package here, this is the 128 gigabyte version of the phone. It's got 8 gigs of RAM and the color is Prism Black. So you can see it is glass on the back and on the front. I will set that aside. One of the first things I'm going to pull out here is the USB-C cable. And this is reportedly 3 feet long. I would recommend picking up some secondary USB-C cables if you are purchasing one of these phones and don't have some already handy. Setting those aside, the next item here is the wall charger. It does stick out a fair bit from the wall, so if you feel like using it, great. If not, you can pick up probably a lower profile one. There's also a handy USB to USB-C connector. I find this connector extremely handy. The connector can be used, for example, to connect a USB memory stick, so you can plug that into your phone, transfer files to and from a USB memory stick. The next item here are the headphones. Now, more and more phones do not have these packaged in, nor have an actual headphone port. So it's nice to see, there are additional ear tips as well, that there are wired headphones. I quite like that, and the Samsung ones provided are pretty nice. Now, bringing this up to the camera, it is a little out of focus. I apologize, I forgot to hit the autofocus button, but it is a braided cable, which is really nice. The top part where the headphones are not braided, it's just the rubber wire, which pretty much means that these are nearly the exact same headphones that are in the Galaxy S9 Plus, the Galaxy S9, and the Note 9 phones. Now, fun fact, I couldn't find where the additional stuff was, and it was because it was sandwiched in the top of the box here. So I was struggling to find the instruction manuals and whatnot, and they turned out to be kind of jammed up in the top of the box. So be very careful if you're one of those people who throw the boxes away. Just remember there might be stuff tucked into the lid. So here's the little pin to take out the SD card and SIM card, and in here in this little flap are the instruction manuals. So there you have it. Here is a picture of basically everything that's in the package. I will be doing a review later on, as well as a comparison with the S9 Plus and the Note 9 to see if this is a worthwhile upgrade. Anyways, that's all I've got for today. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you didn't like the video, leave a like. Hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments below what you think of the Galaxy S10 series of phones. Thank you everyone. Take care.